Hello everyone, this is Super Spy, and I actually forgot to turn off the desktop audio when I recorded this video, so there's going to be some background noises from the game, but putting that aside, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hey guys, this is Super Spy, and today we are going to be playing some more Theme Park Tycoon 2. So this is episode 9 of our series. In the last episode, in the last episode, we built this, an older themed area in our theme park. I really love it. It does have some rendering issues though, but we got that car ride up right there. Somebody's riding it. We got the carousel. I think, yeah, there's people riding it. There's a little name. And nobody appears to be riding the carousel. Well, that's too bad. But today, I have an amazing idea. So what I want to do is I want to build a swinging pirate ship ride, but make it kind of like look like there's a pirate hideout. I'm gonna lean into that aspect, and maybe we'll build some water rides around that area. I'm not sure, but we'll see for future episodes. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. Alright guys, so right here we have the pirate ship, and I think this looks pretty cool. So my idea is to have this over like that way. So if we come over here, like right there, looks like it should work pretty well. So we will place that down. I will not put down an exit or an entrance just yet. I kind of want to wait on that. So over here, I'll probably do a little time lapse of me editing everything over here. So we go to terrain, and what I do, just to like give you guys an example, yeah, I just lower it like that. Then with water, see, filled, all nice. So let's do a quick time lapse. Alright guys, so I just barely finished everything. So we've painted up all the terrain. The water's all finished. I think it looks nice. We'll probably paint up this section a little later. But for right now, I just want to work on some of the details right outside the ride. And all I need to do is to snap my fingers, and boom, this pirate ship will have decorations all around it. Alright guys, so I just finished building up all these little like decorations around the area. Alright, and my next plan for this video is to build a pirate ship. So right here, and then probably just for a good measure to put one there and there. We will start working on this pirate ship. So then we can go down here. Plunk, 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 plunk. Nope, plunk. Plunk, 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 plunk. Plunk. And I'm actually going to destroy this one. And I'm going to destroy this one. So these are going to be our entrance right there and our exit right there. Then if we go back onto here, what we can do is we can take one of, not these ones, uh-oh, this one, yes. Alright, so we take, no, we take this one, boom, 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 there we go. So we have all of that down. Then we just need this, and this. So now, let's look at it from here. That looks pretty pirate shipy. I like that. So from here, we're going to build the path, the Q path. We want Q path legacy. That is, I don't know if I want wooden on the ship. Yeah, I want wooden on the ship. So starting here, this is all going to be like wood, and then from there it's going to be the planks, and then I should also probably get the planks in for the exit. Heck, we'll even do that one and have like the very inside of this ship. So we'll take care of that. And boom. So now everything's connected up. So what I'm going to do is we go to scenery. Others? No. Roofs and ceilings. Actually, I think because I looked up palm trees earlier. Has to be here somewhere. Apparently not. Mesh roof. Yes. So this is what inspired the video. Because I was like, oh, that looks like something you'd have on a pirate ship. And I was like, oh, they have a pirate ship ride, don't they? And I was like, oh, I should totally use this. So now we have these ones. And then we can go to roofs and ceilings. Wooden roof. Wooden. Wood. Oh, this is going to be a lot of scrolling. Yes, finally we have our roof piece. So, we will take this and come on, boom. Then right there. Right there. And right there. I think we might even... Nah, not the corners. The corners don't look very good with that. But if we were to just keep this up, we could get a nice look for the boat. And what I want is to have a pole with a flag, like the mast, in the middle of the boat. So let's search up pole. Don't think that the metal pole is gonna do good. Now here we go. This looks good. Oh, that's in the way? That's gonna be an issue. No. Okay, so this is gonna be a goofy looking ship, but oh no, my gosh. Nope. I'll delete that later. For now, we want the ship. So I guess that area will actually be the front of the ship with a plan that I have. buttons come back. Yeah. This one, will this one work? No, because it's on the edge. This one, is this one in the middle? No, it's also on the edge, of course. Of course it's on the edge. This one, however, unfortunately very thick, but will work. I just think it looks so disproportionate. So that will never go on. This one, yeah, it kind of works. So I'll add these ones on the edge to make like a waving effect. That's what I kind of want. But I'd say overall for a pirate ship, this looks pretty good considering. And I will just put in this to make it a little thicker. There we go. So I think I'll do some painting, quick touch-ups, and that will be the end for the video. Alright guys, so we just barely finished building all the details on the pirate ship, which I think look amazing. Got like TNT, a chest full of gold, a cannon, and even the flag itself. I really like that. But I'm not going to connect it in this episode because that is going to have to wait for next time, as this video is getting pretty long-winded. But as we finish this video off, I would like to say that if you have enjoyed it, please consider leaving a like down below and even subscribing. Really helps out the channel. Yeah, that's all I really have to say. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and let me know down in the comments if you want to see more of this in the future. Goodbye.